Computer education is becoming increasingly important in our modern society for several reasons. 1. Digital literacy. In today's digital age, it is crucial for individuals to have basic computer skills and knowledge. This includes understanding how to use software applications, navigate the internet, and effectively communicate using digital tools. Computer education equips people with these essential skills, enabling them to participate fully in the digital world. 2. Employability. Many jobs now require basic computer skills, and this trend is only expected to increase. For example, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, computer and information technology occupations are projected to grow by 11% from 2019 to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations. Having computer education can enhance an individual's employability and open up more job opportunities. 3. Problem solving and critical thinking. Computers are powerful tools for problem solving and critical thinking. Computer education helps individuals develop these skills by exposing them to computational thinking, which involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts and using algorithms and logical reasoning to find solutions.
For more, visit our institute NCITS Rampur Bushahar, house number 50, near Sunshine Public School.